Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Welcome to another shop project. So, what are we doing today? I have a couple of upcoming projects that I think are a good opportunity to try my first dovetails on. But in order to try dovetails, I need to be able to mount my workpiece vertically, clamped this way onto the side of my bench or something. Because I need to be able to get at the top of it, cutting vertically, cutting horizontally along the vertical. You know how a dovetail goes, right? So I need to be able to cut this way along the end of a long piece. So I need to be able to clamp it to something this way. So I was going to do a J. Bates style pipe clamp vise on the end of my workbench and use that end as my dovetailing station kind of thing. But instead, I am going to do a similar idea as that. I will leave a link somewhere. I'll put a box up there that goes to Jay's pipe clamp vise that he put on his bench. Instead of doing that, which I might end up doing eventually, I'm going to use up some plywood and I'm going to try to make a moxon vise out of pipe clamps so that I can take it off the bench and store it away, because I probably am not going to do a lot of dovetails, so I probably don't need like a permanent station to do that, but I do need something. So we're going to try making a moxon vise out of black pipe and pipe clamps and plywood. Maybe. Stick around and find out. All right, so hopefully you guys can follow along with this. The idea here is I'm going to make a plywood box, so it's going to be hollow on the inside. It's going to go like this. All right, so here's going to be my workbench. Comes like this. So this is workbench. Could just call it bench. And then this is going to be my hollow box. So, and then I can clamp this to my bench with like C-clamps or something. And then I can mount a board like this so that I can dovetail along the end here. And then I'll make a piece. The pipes are going to run through the box like that, and I'll have a face jaw type thing here that has the clampy bits on it, so I can mount the piece and attach it to this box essentially, so that I can dovetail on here. So that it'll have a face, it'll just be basically a box and a jaw with a couple of pipe clamps and holes drilled through. That's the concept. I don't know. Okay, so it is not the most attractive piece of equipment in my shop. But is it gonna hold a board vertically so I can work on the end of it? I think it is. I think it is, and it's gonna hold up to 18-inch wide board vertically so I can work on the end. And it's gonna do for me, I think, for a bit anyway. I'm gonna like clean up some edges and do a sand all the sharp edgy bits that have little frayed bits of plywood so I don't get slivers in my fingies. But yeah, moxon pipe clamp vise. It's fun to say. Moxon pipe clamp vise. It's fun to sing too. Moxon pipe clamp vise. Yeah. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Build a pipe clamp vise. I think it's gonna be handy.